Okay, mate, so getting ready for the rabbit. So this oil, butter, and let's roast every part of the rabbit with 2 grams, for example, and that one. Then you roast everything, I mean all the meat, and we're going to add carrots, onions, shallots, 2 cloves, and some kind of flavor. Don't remember the name. Then you need as well a Belgian beer, which is brown beer, strong beer. I really like this one. We were talking about that one the other day. And you might buy yourself a Belgian beer for, just for drinking. Okay, it's 7 p.m. Nicely brown, all roasted. So, I'll take this off. Then I will add onions, shallots. The idea is to scratch, and you see that brown stuff? So let's mix with the onion, because it's where comes all the flavor. I mean, a great part of the flavor. And then just let it sweat. So I lower the temperature, and I don't want the onions and shallot to be burnt, just the water, the juice just coming out of it and mixed with the fat. It's time to add the beer. Okay. Okay. Salt. Mix it up a bit. Then add 2 cloves. Those leaves, I don't remember the name. Add your carrots. And let's add some pork. I didn't put it with the onion and shallots because I don't want the more fat, so it will cook with the fat. So 35 minutes. In 20 minutes, I will just mix it a bit. Can't find the top for some reason. Whoops! Just forgot one thing. Time from the garden. I mean, from the balcony. That's the same stuff. Don't forget to buy a bottle of wine. It's cooked in beer, all right. But be romantic. Buy some wine. Okay, so it's almost done, and what we want to do now is just mix some ball, just like butter. You take the butter out of the fridge and wait a bit till it's just like a bowl. So it's 1 spoon butter in bowl and 1 spoon flour. So we mix it And then take out the rabbit, carrots and stuff. Just leave the juice. It's the juice, mate. Rabbit juice. And we will add it so that the juice will thicken. Take that whistle, no, that whisker, I don't remember. Well, there's not much juice left, so I won't add just a little bit and see how it goes. So a bit higher temperature, and then with your whisker, you want to, but wait, you will feel getting thicker. It's just like not a rule, but let's add a little bit more. I'm very careful when doing this, because if you add too much, then it's just like glue. It's not what you want. Yeah, it's getting thicker. Spoiling, but you don't want it to burn. No, I want to catch all the juice. And the carrots. Okay. And then let's mix. Okay, let it simmer for something like 10 minutes and we're done. Well, I'm not very good at playing the guitar, but I know really how to cook. Enjoy this video. Don't give it a thumb up because it's only private. Cheers, mate.